Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone not receiving text messages issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you're also facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply drag down your control center and turn on flight mode for 30 seconds. So guys, simply turn it on, and after this you have to simply turn it off as well. So guys, do this, and after this make sure that the cellular service is working properly on your device as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply open your settings, and then you have to go to general and then scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time. Again, go back and go to language and region and check your country or region correctly, and make it sure that your region is correct. And after this, go back and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to the other settings. That is, you have to simply go to about, and from here check if there are any career updates available for you. Then you have to simply update your career settings and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply turn off iMessage on your device for one time, and after this turn it on again. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact your service provider for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.